Hi, my name is William Oppermann. I'm founder of MPStore, and I'm here on our partner's booth, Premio. And Premio is a hardware manufacturer. We've taken all of their very innovative hardware products and we've built them into a cloud. So I'd like to share with you and tell you some of the interesting innovations that we've used on the Premio hardware using the MPStore software to build this cloud. So in hardware infrastructure, not all of hardware is completely identical. So the MPStore Orchestra product for virtualizing all that hardware takes this into account, and we can put the various hardware into different layers and different classes of service. We can do that on the compute side, and we can also do that on the storage side. So we can build a storage tier that is very fast, say solid state disk using SAS or fiber SANs, all the way up to simple Gigi servers or Gigi storage using SATA. So all of those storage tiers can be mapped to any compute tier through a provisioning layer called ProVizo. So how does that work in practice? In practice, when you're on the cloud and you have all of your hardware virtualized, you have a dashboard. So this is the dashboard that a typical user will have when he logs on to the Orkestra cloud. So if I look at this particular user, this particular project, this project has a number of resources, such as I can run a certain number of virtual machines and a certain number of volumes. And the key point is that all of those virtual machines that I can run and those volumes I can run are not all identical. They're not just grey servers. I can pick them to run in particular types of infrastructure, both on the compute side and both on the storage side. So let me just show you how that works. If I pick an image that I would like to run, okay, so I just pick a lamp stack and I go to launch that lamp stack. That server I can choose to run in a particular compute group, and that compute group could be gold, silver, or bronze. Now this might correspond to particular compute nodes that are running very powerful Intel processors at very high gigahertz speed rates, and maybe the contention ratio between the VMs to the number of cores is lower than perhaps a bronze tier. And equally, if I create a volume, I don't just create a volume and say I need so much many terabytes. I can equally say I'd like a certain amount of storage, but I can pull that storage from a storage tier. I can pull it from a SATA storage tier, or I can pull it from a SAN solid state disk storage tier. So I'm allowing to take my infrastructure and build it up into different storage groups, different compute groups, and then match up my storage to my virtual machine. So through this simple dashboard, I'm able to build an infrastructure that looks more like this. My compute nodes organized into gold, silver, bronze tiers, and these tiers give me better performance or less performance. And I'm also able to manage my storage into different compute group tiers. And then I can match any storage to any particular compute tier. So this is a better way of virtualizing all of your hardware, so that your hardware isn't just in one big grey mass of undifferentiated tiers, but in specific tiers giving different SLAs both on the compute side and on the storage side. So I hope you've enjoyed listening to some of the key differentiations in MPStore's OpenStack distribution called Orkestra, and how we've managed to create virtual machines in different hardware tiers and storage in different hardware tiers. Thank you very much for listening.